Hey Shadows, good late afternoon. It is another late night tour, which I hope I can get some footage of. I don't think I will be able to, but I'll let you know what it's like. I'm taking the Jack the Ripper tour tonight. It starts at 8. Going in a little bit, I'm meeting someone for drinks, so gonna have a date. Although I'm not feeling real well. I think I ate something that just didn't agree with me. But I don't want to cancel. I want to go have this drink, see what goes on, go to this Jack the Ripper. I only have a couple more days left in London, so I can't really waste any days being sick. Yeah, so that's it. Up my travel card. So those things are amazing. Honestly, if you get a travel card, it's 7 days, and then you can renew the 7 days. After that, I think the $5 like activation fee, I can get it refunded. So that's cool. I've got like basically £5 sitting on a card. So just sitting here waiting for the next train, and then we will get this day going. Like I said, don't know how much I will be able to film it for you guys, but I will definitely let you know what it's all about. I'm super stoked because I love Jack the Ripper. So let's do this. Alright, good morning Shadows. Today is the day. I'm so stoked. I'm so stoked. I have wanted to go into the Tower of London ever since I was a kid, and I'm going. I've got it all day booked up for it. It doesn't look too bad entry wise. I slept in a little bit. I want to get in before this, so we're gonna have to be real quick about it. And yeah, so let's go in and see what the tower's all about. Super stoked. I can't wait. All right, guys. So we are getting ready to do the Yeoman's Tour. It is free and it is cool, and I'm so excited. Alright guys, so finished up the Yeoman's Tour. It was pretty cool. And so now we're going to start kind of just going through each little place. I'm going to start with the Crown Jewels. I don't think I can take you guys in with me. So I thought I'd say a little something out here. So this is where all the Crown Jewels are held and the Royal Regalia, so that's pretty cool. And we're going to go in and check in. Once again guys, super excited to be doing this. This is like a lifelong dream come true. Wait till I get to the torture. That's gonna be cool. Alright guys, see you in a bit.
I hope you can hear me. Finished up Tower of London. A little bummed I didn't get to go see the Bloody Tower. It's closed for something. And then also I didn't get to see Imprisonment in the Tower because it's getting reworked and I'm here a little early. So those two things, I guess I'll have to come back and see the Tower of London, but I saw everything else absolutely stunning. Make sure you give yourself, if you're like a history nerd like me, probably like 4 or 5 hours minimum, especially if you want to take your time. And yeah, so that's it for today. Tomorrow we're doing the National Gallery and the Harry Potter tour, and then on Sunday we'll do the British Museum. Monday we're doing Hyde Park, and that will be my London experience. So yeah, talk to you in a bit.